Hello everyone. As I promised in the last video, again we are going to discuss some differentiation of inverse trigo function. Suppose y equals to is given sine inverse 6x minus 4 into root over of 1 minus 4x square divided by 5. As I said, first we have to concentrate on simplification of this. We have to find out dy dx. So can we write this as sine inverse 6x divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 5 into root over of 1 minus 4x square, can we write as 2x whole square. Now if I will take 2x as sine theta, if 2x is my sine theta, then this part will be 1 minus sine square theta, this part will be 1 minus sine square theta, cos square theta, so root over of cos square theta, which will be cos theta, right? So if I further simplify, it will be, now as 2x already I have taken something, so I will take 2x from here, it will be 2x into 3 by 5 minus 4 divided by 5 into 1 minus 2x whole square. Now check, 2x is my one term. If this is sine theta, this will become 1 minus sine square theta, so hence cos theta. Can I imagine this part as, this term as cos alpha? So if cos alpha is equals to 3 divided by 5, do you agree that sine alpha will be equals to 4 divided by 5? So now if I transform this in terms of theta and alpha, it will be sine inverse sine theta cos alpha minus cos theta, this will be sine alpha, cos theta sine alpha, right? So it will be transferred to sine inverse sine of theta minus alpha, which will be only theta minus alpha. From here, what is my theta? Theta is sine inverse 2x, right? And for alpha I can write cos inverse 3 by 5 or sine inverse 4 by 5, it doesn't matter. Why? I will show you. So theta is sine inverse 2x minus alpha, if you write cos inverse 3 by 5, because it's a constant term, right? So it doesn't matter. So now differentiating y with respect to x, your dy dx, that will be ddx of sine inverse 2x minus ddx of cos inverse 3 divided by 5. What will be ddx of sine inverse 2x? Just check. Again we have to apply chain rule. Ddx of sine inverse x, that is 1 divided by root over of 1 minus x square into ddx of 2x. ddx of 2x, can we directly write 2 minus, this will be 0. Hence the answer will be 2 divided by root over of 1 minus 4x square. Hope you understood this one. Similarly, many problems are there in your book, so just try it. If there is any problem, please write it in the comment box so that I can solve. Next one, suppose y equals to sine inverse root over of 1 minus x square. Please do remember, two simple theory I will follow. I will try to avoid denominator, that's one thing, and I will try to avoid square root. So here we have denominator. Something is there in the denominator, so I will cross multiply this. So if I cross multiply, I will get this into y equals to sine inverse x. And one more thing I said, I will avoid square root. So if I square it, if I take the whole square, it will be 1 minus x square into y square, it will be equals to sine inverse x whole square. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, what is going to happen? Just check. Left hand side, we have to use the formula of u into v. How to apply that formula? Just check. U into ddx of y square plus v into ddx of 1 minus x square, right, is equals to sine inverse x whole square. Sine inverse x whole square, if I differentiate, I just write it ddx of sine inverse x whole square. So now 1 minus x square, what will be ddx of y square? It will be 2y into dy dx. How this thing is coming? If I discuss here, ddx of y square, we can differentiate y square in terms of y only. So I will write it as dy of y square into dy dx. Now dy of y square is 2y and dy dx, right? Plus y square ddx of 1 minus x square, ddx of 1 is 0, and minus x square, that will be minus 2x, equals to ddx of sine inverse x whole square. First something whole square, what will be the formula? It is 2 sine inverse x, then ddx of sine inverse x, right? I hope all of you will accustomed with chain rule right now. So 1 minus x square into dy dx minus 2xy square is equals to 2 sine inverse x, ddx of sine inverse x is 1 divided by this. Now if I just go up a bit, what is this? Sine inverse x divided by 1 minus root over 1 minus x square, that is my y. So right hand side, can I write this part as y only? So can we write that 1 minus x square into 2y dy dx minus 2xy square is equals to 2y. So whole term I can divide by 2y. So if I divide by 2y, it will be 1 minus x square into dy dx minus xy is equals to 1. That we had to prove for this sum. Is it fine? So please do remember these two things. As I said, that we are going to avoid square root and denominator. So denominator, if we have, we will cross multiply, and if you have square root, we will take the whole square both the sides. Now one more sum. If y equals to root over of 1 plus sin x plus root over of 1 minus sin x divide by root over of 1 plus sin x minus root over of 1 minus sin x, and outside is given cot inverse. Already in last one video I have discussed this. If it is, just check, I am doing it in rough. If it is root over of 1 plus sin x, can I write it as sin x, can I write as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2? And this 1 can we write as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2? So ultimately this will be root over of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Similarly, when it is minus, can we write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square? So now numerator will be, just check, it will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, right? And denominator will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Just put the subtraction sign before the bracket, simplify, you will get this answer, right? So this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, so it will become cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2. So 2 to cancel out, so it will be cot inverse cot x by 2. So ultimately you have to differentiate only x by 2 if you know what you have to substitute and which trig formula you have to use. So please be very careful with all the trig formula, you should know, otherwise it will be really difficult for you to solve differentiation and later on integration problem. So differentiating this with respect to x, so can we write dy dx will be equals to ddx of x divided by 2, which is equals to half. Please make sure that you will apply the trig formula properly. There are many sums on differentiation of inverse trig function. Just try it. If there is any problem, please write in the comment box. Thank you.